What's good, YouTube? Today we got some mini bikes.
Don't let them know what you're thinking. I bet you never tell them how it feels.
This is the old engine that was in it. It still has spark. We checked the spark plug on it. It's actually not too bad. You can take a look at it there. The oil in this thing was completely black, and the gas went really bad, so I'm not sure if we put if it's worth putting new oil and gas in it and trying to get it to run. When we have this beast over here, it's a Predator 196cc. It's got new intake and new exhaust and a bunch of other stuff that I don't really know about. We got it from this guy on Kijiji. He fixes these things up and makes them better. His YouTube channel is Ray Lalonde. I'll put a link in the description. Anyway, we're planning on putting this thing into our Rupp mini bike right here. Thinking this thing would make an awesome mini bike. It's just got suspension, or suspension up here, I think, if I can get that working. Got brakes for the back. Might end up putting some on the front. It's got everything. And then we have this other one, and the guy we bought this from said last time he saw it running was when he was 10, and that was his mini bike. This yellow one over here. And the guy was like 40, 50. And this Rupp, I think I'm saying that right, R-U-P-P, Rupp mini bike, was his dad's. Here's the model number and stuff. It's pretty old. The suspension works. Oh, I can't do that right now. We had this thing running, but then the brakes, you just push this down and they rub up against the tire. It's not really that good for the tire. And we can't really figure out this old Briggs and Stratton motor. I don't know, maybe some of you guys can help me out here figuring out what model this is. There's like the Roadster and the Enduro stuff. There's also this sticker on the front. I'm not sure what that is. And on the tires, we have, it says Rupp Motocross right there. Oh, there you can see it better. Phew! Anyways, so it's got the original tires on it. We're gonna have to blow these up a bit more. They're a bit low in air. Looks like they've had many different engines on this. It's definitely not original. These things fold down and stuff. Anyway, I gotta get to work on these. I'll see you later, once we have that engine over there ready to put on this. So, unfortunately, all of my video of putting this engine on the mini bike is all deleted because of my stupid phone. Yeah, I know it's disappointing, but it'll be boring anyway. We figured out that when you have that air filter on and you try and put your foot on the peg, it falls off a lot, so we're gonna have to put a hose clamp on that, and that the exhaust over here will put the exhaust right into your leg. So we're gonna have to feed it underneath the seat under there to that ring there and do that. So it's gonna be lots of money. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Affection never even tried to be real.